When I heard about these black boxes from Hot Wheels, for some reason, I got all excited. 16 different cars, different mixes that are coming out as the cars come out. There's supposed to be 16 first appearance diecast vehicles, according to this. This is Mix A that I finally received. I ordered this on December 5th of last year. And today, as I'm recording this, it's February 2nd. So it took a little while to get here. So I ordered actually mixes A, B, and C on December 5th. And this is mix A that finally made it here. And hopefully the others will arrive soon. Let's see what we have here. Okay, what did I get? Subaru WRX. It's a nice little casting. The LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia. That I like that, but I can tell I'm going to customize that. Let's see. 1970 Pontiac Firebird. God, there's a throwback to my childhood. That'll be fun. The Coupe Clip. I've seen these online, but I hadn't seen one in person yet. Huh. Okay. The Eruption. Okay, that one's probably going to go away. Some of these are going to end up, obviously, in the challenge boxes, that kind of thing. But some of these I'm definitely going to customize. The Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. Okay. The 17 Pagani Huayra Roadster. That's kind of cool. It seems like somebody did a build-off with these, but might have been the Four Horsemen. I don't recall. Roadster Bite. Okay. The Kit Concept car. I've seen this one online too. This looks really cool. I'm going to have fun customizing that. And you know how I say I see a Batman in every car? Well, I don't know that, or I see a Batmobile in every car. I don't know that I see a Batmobile in this one, but I don't know, maybe something. 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth. That I definitely want to switch the decal set on. The livery on this, it's okay, but it could be a lot more fun. The Dragon Wagon. Oh, that's cool. New for 2023. And yeah, I can see having some fun with that. Ford Escort RS 2000, also new for 2023. Okay, that needs to be jazzed up. That's very plain looking. Supposedly you have a chance at treasure hunts and super treasure hunts in here. So far, no such luck. The Surfing School Bus. Okay. That, I don't know if they're trying to make it look like a Woody or what, but that, I don't know. That's just, that needs something. New for 2023, the Nissan Patrol Custom. That is nice. That's really cool. That's tempting to Gaslands. But yeah, I don't know. That'll be fun though. So far, I'm really happy with this selection. This is really up my alley. There aren't too many fantasy cars in here, really, which surprises me. Maybe I just lucked out. The D Machini Veloce. Yeah, something like that. That would be a cool Gaslands too. That's kind of cool. That you could really detail out. And last but not least, the tuned classic TV series Batmobile. I think this one was the one that could be the super treasure hunt out of Mix A. This one obviously isn't, but that could be fun to tweak. I'm not big on the tuned castings, as you know if you've watched my channel, but there's something about a Batmobile. Anyhow, that's the way it turned out of this box. one kind of funky one, and actually all the rest of them I'm pretty darn happy with. I mean, maybe not the school bus, but the others, actually, I can't complain. So there you have it. This is what I ended up with. And I figure when I get the next box, which should be Mix B, I will do another video for that. So hope you enjoyed this. I don't usually do box openings, but the black boxes just seem kind of special to me. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.